In this video, I'm going to give you some effective tips on how to win a girl heart who likes to play hard to get. Maybe some of you have been in a situation where you meet an attractive girl, but she acts indifferent or even pretends to be aloof, aka playing hard to get. I don't get it, honestly. From my personal perspective, girls should indeed show high value, and men shouldn't be interested in easily approachable girls. If a man likes a girl who's too easy to get, his intentions are probably not far from lust. Yeah, that's what some guys often do. But conquering a girl who's playing hard to get is tough. So, let's take it back. What do you guys really want? Do you want something cheap or something specific high value for a girl? Listen carefully. Even for men, we need to respect ourselves and not be easily dominated. As a men, we want to have a higher value, especially in the eyes of girls. But don't worry, in this video, I'll give you tips how to deal with a hard-to-get girl. 1. Don't rush to give your feelings and heart entirely to someone you just met. This is an important advice that will help you show a hard-to-get attitude, which is actually quite reasonable. When you give your heart and feelings completely to someone you just met, it means you surrender easily to your desires. The reason why you find it difficult to conquer a girl who acts hard to get is that you intend to conquer, not to melt. So, how to overcome it? Firstly, don't lower your price. Seriously, it's not a joke. Even though the title sounds like that, the content is very serious. Why the title "Don't Lower Your Price"? Because in the early stages of getting to know a girl who plays hard to get, we tend to lower our self-worth. Understand, right? We end up being like a guy who's too easy to figure out. How to deal with it? Maintain our self-worth. We have to be someone valuable in their eyes. In this case, elevate our self-value. Make sure we understand the characteristics of a girl who plays hard to get. Does she prioritize material things, or is attention and kindness more important to her? Once we know, enhance our skills according to their preferences. This will increase our self-worth, and automatically, we will appear valuable in their eyes. Secondly, don't focus too much on the title of this video. Instead, focus on the content of this video. Girls who play hard to get tend to prefer certainty over just words. So, don't consider everything she does as right. Many guys tend to overlook the mistakes made by the girls they like. Don't get trapped in that mindset. Boldly pointing out mistakes is a more mature step, and it will make them see us from a different perspective. They will appreciate us as someone who can acknowledge their mistakes. Thirdly, don't negotiate. When a girl has set her own value, don't try to negotiate. Many guys blame girls who play hard to get, thinking that attitude is excessive. However, in reality, that attitude is a form of self-protection. So don't shut down, don't be too cold. If we reject too much, they will show even more of a hard-to-get attitude. Focus on developing ourselves towards a higher quality guy while still communicating with them. Make the girl who plays hard to get a motivation for us to become even better. When we reach a higher level than them, they will become more open. So remember, there's nothing expensive or cheap in this context. What exists is only perfection in our self-development. A valuable woman will not let herself sink into the darkness of life.